Has it ever occurred to you to desire earning passive income, but felt unable to do so because you lack the necessary funds? If so, then you are on the right video. Because today we will be unfolding the top 7 ways to make passive income with a low income. So make sure to subscribe here on Usable Wisdom and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever we upload new videos. Without further ado, let's proceed to the list. Idea number 1. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. If, for instance, you have some savings in your bank account and have never given it any attention, chances are you are not getting the most out of it. While using bank accounts to generate passive income will not make you wealthy overnight, shifting your money into higher-yielding accounts will help your money grow at a faster rate than it has been. The best part is that most banks don't have a minimum balance requirement. So even if you don't have a lot of money, you can start earning extra interest on what you do have. The typical savings account interest rate in 2019 was a pitiful 0.09%. However, many people are unaware that there are much better alternatives. For example, if you're searching for a low-risk, high-interest cash account, Betterment Everyday presently offers a 2.4% APY, which is more than 27 times the national average. The difference in the interest you earn is yours to keep because the account is free of charge. Now, you're undoubtedly wondering how much of a difference this will make over the course of a year. So if you had $500 in a normal savings account, earning 0.09% annually, you would earn only 4 cents per year. A heartbreaking 4 cents! However, a high-interest bank account generating 2.44% yearly would leave you with $12. And while this isn't much, it's simple and will just compound as you deposit more to the account. Idea number 2. Start a blog. Blogging can be an amazing strategy to create passive income if you're a skilled or even mediocre writer. While launching a blog requires a significant amount of effort up front, once you have your content up, it will begin to gather traction in the Google search engine. Whether you continue to post content or not, you'll make money. So you might be wondering how the blog makes money. Allow me to explain. Readers will interact with your blog as it is used, or as traffic increases. This can be done by purchasing things through your affiliate links, purchasing courses you provide, or just assisting you in making money through Google AdSense. Something to keep in mind regarding this method of earning passive money is that it requires a significant amount of effort, especially at first. This is because you will need to study, write, and market your material in order to achieve momentum on your site. But as I previously stated, once the content is out, it will generate revenue month after month. Idea number 3. Sell an ebook. Ebooks are frequently far shorter than traditional novels, putting less pressure on you to create a masterpiece. What's more, this kind of passive income can be quite cost-effective. If you own a computer, you're in luck, since all you need to publish your ebook is a Word document with your text and a cover image. You can do all of the writing, editing, and graphics yourself. But professional aid can be extremely reasonable if you want to polish your book. For example, you can buy a quality book cover for $5 on Fiverr, and editing may also be outsourced for a low price. That is, for roughly $50, you may create an asset that will provide income in continuity. So let's assume you want to try your hand in the ebook publishing industry. Well, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is undoubtedly the most user-friendly platform. It only takes a few minutes to publish a book, and most publications are available in Kindle retailers around the world within 1 to 2 days. You can earn up to 70% royalties on each sale to customers in most countries with Amazon KDP. And you can set your own prices and edit your book at any time. Idea number 4. Sell an online course. Information is the most important asset in the 21st century, and selling digital items like online courses is one of the best ways to profit from it. You could be thinking to yourself, I have no idea what I could make a course about. That's perfectly typical. The good news is that almost every information product may find a market online. From web development, to productivity, to journaling, there's something for everyone. You probably have a variety of skills, at least one of which may be used to build a valuable course. What's more, the expense of developing an online course is rather modest. The majority of online courses can be created on your smartphone. That means you do not need to invest any money to begin using this passive income strategy. Selling your courses can also be cost-effective because there are several platforms where you can host your course for free and gain a part of the income when you sell it. If you host your course on Udemy, for example, any sale you make using the site's organic traffic will net you 50% of the course's cost. You'll get 97% of the buying price if you can produce your own sales. With your present expertise, a computer, and a smartphone, you can start earning passive income right away. Idea number 5. Start an ad agency. Consider the number of small enterprises in your city. The majority of them are probably not properly using social media to attract new clients or increase sales. Most people will have a Facebook page, but in today's busy news feed, that isn't enough to get the word out. That's where you, as a Facebook ad agency owner, can help. Among the most appealing aspects of this business model is that once a client's advertising campaigns are set up and working properly, you may go on to the next client. On your end, you'll have to do very little continuing labor. It's a rather hands-off business approach, saved from checking in for a few minutes every day. As a result, after everything has been set up, consider it to be very inactive. Mastering the art and skill of Facebook ads is feasible and inexpensive, even if you have little expertise. There are many basic and intermediate level trainings on YouTube, and you can even purchase Facebook marketing courses for as little as $15 on sites like Udemy. Offering Facebook marketing services is advantageous, since you are earning experience for the money, which often requires less capital than starting a physical store or developing a physical product. So how much can a Facebook marketing agency bring in? It is normal for Facebook experts to charge anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000s per month per client, making it one of the best passive income ideas. Idea number 6, create an online store. With the rise of e-commerce, there has never been a better time to start an online store and earn money passively. Dropshipping, in particular, has gained a lot of traction. Here's how it works, in case you're unfamiliar with it. When a consumer visits your site and orders a product, your system transmits the order to the appropriate manufacturer, who then completes the sale by sending it directly to the customer, and you profit. One of the appealing aspects of this form of business is that no inventory is required. It has a substantially cheaper initial cost, making it ideal for those with limited funds. Furthermore, establishing your shop might be inexpensive. Many dropshippers use Shopify to set up their store, which costs about $30 per month, compared to thousands of dollars. How much would it cost to open a physical store in your city? To summarize, after you've set up your stores, the remainder may be totally automated. Basically, you'll make money no matter what you're doing. Idea number 7, start a YouTube channel. Regular folks like you and I make money from YouTube each day. Although you may use YouTube to kill time or discover new things, it's also a source of revenue for many people, and much of this income is passive. Ads may display whenever someone sees one of your videos, and you can profit from them. Furthermore, after the video is released, your visitors can buy your courses or affiliate products, generating revenue without any additional effort on your part. The reality is that maintaining a YouTube channel is anything but simple in nature, as it needs regular work and video creation to build an audience. However, once the film is published, it becomes a digital asset that generates ad money and ideally sales over time. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something meaningful out of this video. And for more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Until next time, see ya!